Hello everybody and welcome to Yalan app. Are you having the frustrating problem that your Owlet Dream app is not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly actually is to just exit your Owlet Dream app and instead open up your settings app. So go into your settings app and now you should be taken to a page similar to this. Scroll down in here and then click on general. So just click on general and as you can see we should now be taken to this page right here. And now on this page scroll down and then you're going to click where it says storage. So click on storage in here and now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. And by the way, if you are using an Android and not an iPhone, don't worry, it's going to be the exact same steps, but what you're going to do instead on your Android is to just also of course find your storage option on your Android, and after that it's going to be the exact same steps. So now in here we're just going to scroll down until we can find our Owlet Dream app in here. And I think it's actually, if I remember correctly, it's way down here for some reason, so I'm just going to keep scrolling. Oh, here it is. Owlet Dream, as you can see. So just click on Offload app in here and then once again click on Offload app. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here. And the reason why you need to do this, and I did this myself by the way, and it worked after that, and I think that the reason why we need to do this is because this action right here will actually automatically update our app to the newest version. And I guess that when they do release a new version and you don't have it yet, that's why our app is not working as it should. So wait for it to completely load, as you can see, go back into the app, and I hope that it now works for you as well.